In this video guys, I will show you step by step how I made $4,900 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from TikTok. I will show you guys how do I find trending product that I promote on TikTok to earn commission. I will share with you the method and strategies that helped me to earn this commission. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new method, new strategies. And if you guys skip one step in this video, this business will be really difficult for you and you will not be able to earn commission like this, okay? So let's get started. So this is my summary, this is my commission and so on. And I made this commission from the first day of July until the day 18th of July for $4,900, okay? Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using TikTok, so step number one, go to Google. First, go to Google, search for Amazon Associate, click on the first link like this. It's super easy, guys. You will be directly in this sign up process page. Click on sign up and you will be directly in this page again. Click on create your Amazon account and you will be directly in this page. Put your first and last name here, your email address, your password and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. So this will be your Amazon affiliate marketing dashboard and you should see your commissions here, your summary and so on, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose a good and trending product that you will start promoting on TikTok to earn commission. So how you can find a trending product? So here is what you will do. You will go to Google and you will search for trending product on TikTok, okay? Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page over here, okay? You will be directly in adstiktok.com business, okay, to this website. So this website, guys, will give you the trending products in each country, that the product that are trending in each country you will choose or you want to choose, okay? So here is what you will do next. You will scroll down and here choose which country you want to target. If you want to target United States, you can choose United States, United Kingdom, Vietnam, you have Switzerland, Spain, South Africa, and so on, okay? So for me, I'm gonna use United States. I want to target audience from United States, and here choose last 7 days, okay? Choose this one, last 7 days, like this, and here you go. TikTok, this page will give you what's trending in United States, which products are trending on TikTok in United States in the last 7 days, okay? So for this is the first one. This one is trending, okay? I think this product is for women. Yes, it's for women. We have this one here. We have makeup tools, perfume. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, the first product that is trending, and they will click here on details, okay, like this, and you will be directly in this page, and here you will see the performance analytic of this product, okay? So you will see the CTR, CPA, the cost, the impressions that this product is getting, likes, share, comments, and so on, okay? And as you can see, guys, this product is really trending, okay? See? So this product is a really good product that you can promote, okay? Because it's trending. If you scroll down, you will see related videos, okay? So related videos about this product. So what you will do, guys, is you will copy the name of this product, okay? I'm gonna copy this. I will copy this name for this product and I will go back to Amazon, okay? And go back to your Amazon account, okay? And what you will do next is you will click on the search, go to your Amazon. Let me show you guys. You just need to go, I'm gonna delete this. Just go and search, go to Google and search for Amazon, not your Amazon affiliate account. You need to go to your to Amazon website, okay, where you can find products. Click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. Search for this product that is trending in United States on TikTok. Search for this one, dress for women, okay. Search for this products, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose always good sellers, okay. So let me choose one of those sellers. If you scroll down, we have a lot of products here. As you can see, it's like this product that are trendy. It's like this one, okay. We have more products here. Okay, let me see. So we just need to choose good seller, okay. Choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews. And it's very important to choose good sellers. I'm gonna choose, okay, I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. Guys, this one has 30k reviews and this product is just for 20 bucks or just for $20. A lot of people can buy this product. So I will click on this one. Just click on the product that you want to choose, that you see it, that you see it's good and this seller has a lot of reviews. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon, and that's really good. This seller, guys, has a video here, so that's really good. So what you will do, you will click on his video. Just click on his video. So what we will do is we will record this video to our laptop so we can use this video to promote this product on TikTok, okay. I will show you how we can do it. It's super easy. So just click on the video and this is the video. Let me see. So that's really good. Let's check. And as you can see, guys, this is the video of this product, okay. The video is showing this product. So what you will do, guys, is you will click here. Let me show you. Click here to get the full screen and record this video, okay. You cannot download this video. There is no option to download this video. So what you will do is you will record this video to your laptop, okay. After you record this video, it's super easy, guys. It's like you are seeing now, okay, like this. It's super easy. Record, turn your screen recording on and record this video, okay. After you finish, so what you will do, you will go to Canva, okay. Go to Google. If you don't have Canva account, just go to Google, search for Canva like this. Search for Canva, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. You just need to sign up by using your email address and that's it. And the sign up process is super easy and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here, create design. Click on create design, scroll down and click on TikTok video, okay. Click on TikTok video and you will be directly in this page over here like this. All you have to do is you need to click on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you recorded for this product. So let me choose the video. This is the video that I recorded. So you see, guys, this is for the products for women. Click on open and your video will be downloaded to your Canva account over here. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this, okay. Your video will be over here. Click over here on this 3 points and click on set video as background like this, okay. And here you go. Click on your video, click over here on the background music, click on audio, remove the background music, and that's it, okay. But we will use good background music. Let's check this video now. Let me see. Okay, so what you will do, guys, is you will double click on the video, make it like this, and I will make it like this. Let me see. So let's check now to see if the video is good. You need to edit this video to make it looks good. So now it's good. Okay, you can see the video is showing this product for women. Okay, that's really good. So what you will do, and we'll also make it just short over here like this. So what you will do next, just click over here on text, click on text, and click over here on, let me see, click over here on add subheading, click on this, okay, and write this sentence: check my bio to get yours. Okay, check my bio to get yours. And I will make it like this, okay, and I will put this one here. Okay, let's make it like this. Okay, I'm gonna make this site like this. We will put our affiliate link in our TikTok bio. Okay, check my bio to get yours, like this. Okay, it's really super easy. We can put this text here, and we can click on text color, and we can make it like this, okay, or white color. Yes, white color looking good. And here you go. Okay, check my bio to get yours, and that's it. Let me see. And here, guys, and here you go, guys, you have a video that you can use on TikTok, okay, for this product, to promote this Amazon product on TikTok, okay. And here you go. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your TikTok account, okay, open TikTok account, click over here on upload this video to your TikTok, and since you already have Amazon affiliate account, you should see this box here, okay, this one, Amazon associate site Stripe. Click on text, okay, click on text like this, and this is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Copy this affiliate link and go and put this affiliate link in your TikTok bio and start promoting this product. Guys, don't use just one video. You have limited videos on Amazon. You have limited product. Promote a lot. Why you will not just because a lot of people will just upload one video and they will keep waiting. It doesn't work like that. You need to upload a lot of videos. Just search for, go to this page, on to this TikTok page that will show you the top trending products in United States, okay. Promote all those products. Go to Amazon, search for those products and start promoting those products that are trending on TikTok. Target United States audience, okay. If you guys can get a TikTok USA TikTok account, that will be really good for you, because you will get audience from TikTok, you will get audience from United States. Also, you can also change your VPN if you want, and you will start getting traffic from United States, and you can start controlling where you want to get the traffic, okay, and that's it. So you guys just need to work. You just need to take action, start promoting those products. Promote the product that are trending, not the product that you like or that you choose. Use this website, okay. Search for what's trending, and that's it, okay. This is the method that I'm using to promote my Amazon affiliate links on TikTok. Also, guys, if you can edit this video, it's really simple, it's easy. You can start with this one. You can start with this one as beginner, but don't just keep using this method. Start learning editing. Edit this video, make it more engaging, more professional. go to TikTok. Okay, let me show you. Go to this TikTok account, to this TikTok here, to this TikTok where we're a TikTok business account. Okay, to this page. Okay, scroll down. You should see here related videos. So try to get like those videos. Try to make like those videos to make your video more better and more engaging. And so this video can converse people and can give you sales and make you money with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. If you want to start seeing, if you want me to share with you guys new methods like this, more methods about how you can promote your affiliate links, your TikTok affiliate, your Amazon affiliate links using free traffic, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and they will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.